Looking right, I have a balance of 5,241 naira, and I earn this kind amount of money for free with just my smartphone and my WhatsApp. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with just your smartphone and your WhatsApp for free without any single investment. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the very end, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. As a matter of fact, I am going to do a live withdrawal in this video with you guys. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. So all I need to do is to add my bank details right here. So if you see at the bottom of this platform, you can see add bank card. So let me go ahead and put my bank details right now. So after I put my bank details, I come right here and choose this one. So you see this one, 4,915 naira. So I'm go ahead and click on it. So after I click on it, I'll go down below and click on withdraw. So I'm going to go ahead and click on withdraw now. As you can see right here, the withdrawal is successful. You see the money is now not on here. So I'm going to go ahead how you can register with this platform and start making money right away. So you can make as much as you can with this platform. How are you going to make money on this platform? All you need to do is to register and connect this particular website with your WhatsApp, so you are good to go. But a very good advice that I want to give you guys: make sure you have a separate WhatsApp account that you can use. Don't go ahead and use with the WhatsApp that you are chatting with your family and friends for your business to connect this, because sometimes they will ban your WhatsApp. So make sure you have a separate WhatsApp that you can use to link this particular website with your WhatsApp. So let me go ahead and show you a step by step where you can register with this platform. So all you need to do is to click the first link in the description section of this video. So it will take you to this interface where you can register with your phone number or with your email. So you can select whatever you want. So all you need to do is to come to this section right here. If you want to enter your phone number or with your email, so this is where you can put your details. If you want to sign up with your phone number, you can come right here, put your phone number, password, confirm your password, then verify your IM, and then you click on this create account. So if you want to register with your email, you can come over to this section where you can put your email, password, and confirm your password, then verify. So I have already have an account, so that is why I don't have time to create another one. So let me show you how you can connect this particular platform with your WhatsApp. So after you register with this platform, all you need to do is to come to the bottom section right here. You can see a scanner right here, so click on it. So after you click on it, you see this phone login right here. Click on it. So you can put your phone number that you create this account with. So let me go ahead and put my own. Then go and click on this get key. Click on it. So after you click on it, so they will send you a code where you can go ahead and put that particular code on your WhatsApp. So I will show you in just a few seconds. So as you can see right here, you have see some codes right here, 77. So let me go ahead to my WhatsApp and enter this code. So after you successfully register, you can come over to your WhatsApp and click on this three particular dots that are here. So go ahead and click on it. So you can select these link devices, then link a device with your fingerprint, so it will open. So you can see something like this, link with phone number instead at the bottom. So click on it. So this is where you're gonna put that particular code that they send you to your account on their platform. So this is how you can connect this website with your WhatsApp. So I have already have an account that I have already connected that is still making money online with it. So all you need to do is to click the first link in the description section, go and register and start making money for yourself right away. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you smash this like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. So see you in my next video guys, peace.